Alright guys, so today is the day. Me and my homeboy, we're finally going to get our muffler deletes. We just got our 2 chargers. One 2018 Daytona charger, one 2019 GT charger. We're both going to get our muffler and resonator deletes today, finally. It's just called SMS Muffler in Atlanta, Georgia. If you know about mufflers and muffler shops, you know that's a shop to go to. We're officially going today. And yeah, stay tuned. This is before real from the inside of the car. Not too loud. And I got a pool coming for y'all too, right after this truck. First gear, this in powder system mode, not completely manual. Once this car right here comes, good to go. Before the muffler, mid-muffler and resonator to D. I was a little late on the shifts, but so we just pulled up to SMS Muffler, you know, the famous muffler shop in Atlanta, Georgia. Everybody come get their cars down here. So, you know, it's time to pull into it. You see, you know the vibes. Good to go. Should I get down there? Word. Yo, he got his muffler taken off. He went with the Daytona. He got Daytona 393. He got his Instagram on the back. No, when I almost got caught, it ended up being him. Did I tell you that?
What?
When we almost got caught by 12.
Oh, he was there?
Yeah, that was him. That was him that I almost got caught. I was like, what the fuck? That boy car is smoking. This thing gonna be some flames. Probably. So Roger done and all squared away. Mid muffler. And performance resonator mufflers. Yeah. Yeah, I'm almost done though. Yeah. Oh shit, my boy.
Gotta start it up.
I'm almost done right there. Hey, you gotta wait on me till I'm done. You gotta wait. It do. All you gotta do is rev it up. Rev it up, I got you. Yo. That shit sound better though, no cap. Check him out. That shit clean. That man done put some work in his car already in 2 weeks. Not even 2 weeks. Same engine. Hit the paddle shifters. Down, down. When you get to 40, downshift again. Downshift. We pull up and they letting it down. Check out SMS Muffler. They got y'all definitely. Most definitely. I can't even rear my car how I want to. It's 12 is right in front of me. Sheesh. It's all good. Check that top speed out though. Yeah, I beat it. Yeah. And I'm gonna beat it again. Don't play. Stupid. Alright, YouTube. Now we're at the gas station about to get some gas. Me and my boy Roger. Everything right there. Yeah. You talking about the up front windshield? Yeah. Yeah, any drink gas. Always thirsty. Yeah.
When the car don't sound like that shit at all.
You said in the car didn't sound like it was on? It's cause like damn.
That's just cause it's more powerful. Man. That's what it is.
They got that Hemi, that's all it is, man. I need a wash, I know. I wipe it dirty every day. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, I need a wash, I know. Alright, so this is my code start of my Daytona Charger. Look at my Challenger right there. So yeah, it's not technically a cold start because I started it up earlier and not too long ago, but it's cold and we're gonna start it and never heat it up. y'all for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe for more bangers. All my social media platforms be down below.